that source media report that shows you your traffic sources, that is how people came to your site, it also shows you, which is why I like this report so much, the results of that traffic. So on that same report, you can kind of look over and it'll say, oh, they came in from Facebook. And then you can say, well, how many people did Facebook make aware? And you can measure for that. It's what they call a goal in Google Analytics. You set it up. It takes a little bit of setup. It's not that complicated to do, but you can set up a goal for when they were aware of the thing you want them to be aware of, whatever the property was or project or something like that. Did they engage? Did they become a lead? You can just flip the goals. Did they become a lead? Did Facebook help them to become a lead? And did Facebook help them actually close if that's what you're trying to do, if that's what Facebook was supposed to do? Maybe it was email that was supposed to do that. You would see that. And so that report shows you where your traffic's coming from, and it shows you what the results of that traffic was. And then in the middle of that report, there's some nice juicy details, and it's a bunch of different numbers, but essentially what they show you is engagement. So things that they call bounce rate, which is like, I know people come to the site and then leave. That's what they call a bounce. But that sort of thing is like, you can look at that and you can see engagement. You say, oh, Facebook bounces less, which means they're more engaged, right? Has a lower bounce rate. So you start to see all of this in this one report.